If you're experiencing issues with Hollow Knight Silksong on PC Game Pass, such as the game not launching, crashing, freezing, or displaying a black screen, here are some efficient solutions to troubleshoot and fix the problem. 1. Basic troubleshooting and system checks. Restart everything. Start by restarting your PC and your router. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve temporary conflicts. Check system requirements. Ensure your PC meets the minimum system requirements for the game. While Silksong is a lightweight game, a very old GPU or an outdated Windows version can cause issues. Update your system and drivers. Windows. Go to Settings, Windows Update and check for and install any available updates. Graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the official websites for NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download the latest drivers for your specific GPU. Game Pass client. Ensure the Xbox app itself is updated. 2. Game-specific fixes on the Xbox app. Repair or reset the game. The Xbox app has built-in tools for troubleshooting. Go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. Find Hollow Knight Silksong in the list. Click the 3 dots and select Advanced Options. First, try Repair. If that doesn't work, try Reset. This will clear game data and may fix corrupted files. Reinstall the game. If repairing and resetting don't work, a full reinstall might be necessary. Uninstall the game from the Xbox app. If possible, try installing it on a different drive, e.g., from an external drive to your main C drive, to rule out drive-related issues. Clear local save data. Corrupted save files can cause the game to crash. You can try deleting the local save data. Press Windows key +R and type %appdata%. Navigate to App Data, Local Low, Team Cherry, find and delete the Hollow Knight Silksong folder. Note, this will delete your local save files. Back them up if you can. Check for gaming services issues. The Xbox app relies on gaming services to run games. Open Task Manager and go to the Details tab. Find gaming services linked to .x and end the task. It should restart automatically. Alternatively, you can go to your Xbox app's support options and use the Gaming Services Repair tool. 3. General PC and software conflicts. Disable overlays. Overlays from applications like Discord, NVIDIA GeForce Experience, or MSI Afterburner can interfere with games, especially 2D ones. Disable them one by one to see if the issue is resolved. Check Antivirus, Firewall. Your antivirus or firewall software might be blocking the game's executable. Temporarily disable real-time protection and try launching the game. If it works, add the game's installation folder to your antivirus exceptions list. Disconnect unnecessary peripherals. If you have multiple controllers or racing wheels connected, try unplugging them. Some games can get confused by multiple input devices. Update runtimes. Ensure you have the latest versions of essential Windows runtimes. Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. Download and install the latest versions from Microsoft's official website. DirectX. Make sure your DirectX is up to date. 4. Unity-specific issues, black screen, freezing, crashing. Update your Windows Media Pack. A common cause for black screens, especially during cutscenes, is a missing Windows Media Pack. This is particularly relevant for N or NOTS versions of Windows. You can download the appropriate media feature pack from the Microsoft website. Cap your frame rate. If the game is freezing or crashing, try capping your frame rate in the game's settings to 60 FPS. High refresh rate monitors can sometimes cause stability issues. Adjust NVIDIA control panel settings. For NVIDIA users experiencing black screens or crashing, try these steps. Open the NVIDIA control panel. Go to Manage 3D Settings greater than Program Settings. Add the Hollow Knight Silksong executable file. Set vertical sync to use the 3D application setting. Hit Apply and relaunch the game.